Adobe Creative Cloud plugins and integrations.
Hey everyone, my name's Emerson Welch from Opolis Software. The GoProof extension for Adobe Creative Cloud simplifies your proofing, editing and creative collaboration workflows. It works with InDesign, Photoshop, Illustrator, InCopy and also a bit of XD too. It's great for global creative teams, people working remotely from home, being able to connect and share and review and approve creative work together. There's also a really cool, unique live editing feature built within it, so you can get edits on your InDesign templates directly through our web browser or InCopy integration. So why don't you take a look and see what you think. Well, hopefully that's given you a quick flavour of what GoProof can do. If you visit the website opolis.com/GoProof, there's loads more information on there. You can request a free trial or you can fill out a form and we'll talk to you about custom workflows and integrations.